Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eBay seller account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and go to eBay's official website. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. If you do not have an existing eBay account, click on register instead. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets eBay's requirements. After filling in your email and password, click on Continue. You will now need to enter additional personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, and phone number. Make sure to provide accurate information for future verification. After entering your details, check the box to agree to eBay's user agreement and privacy policy. Click on Create Account to proceed. You may need to verify your email address through a confirmation email sent by eBay. Open your email inbox and locate the message from eBay. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your address. Now, go back to the eBay homepage and sign in using your newly created account. Once signed in, navigate to the My eBay section. Look for the Selling tab and click on it. You will see an option to sell or start selling. Click on that option to set up your seller account. Now, you need to enter your information for selling. Fill in the details such as your business name if applicable. eBay will ask you to choose your payment method. Link your PayPal account or enter your bank information for payouts. Once this is done, eBay may ask you to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete the identity verification process. Now, you can set up your shipping preferences for your listings. Choose the shipping options that are convenient for your business. Fill in your return policy to inform buyers about returns. Once all the setup is complete, you are ready to start listing items. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.